On this eventful occasion, I take the privilege to welcome Chief Guest of this function, Shri K.L. Pandey, Additional General Manager, South Central Railway, to come on to the dais. Headquarter 1 and 2, led by Shri Gajaran Malya, SDGM, and Shri Vijay Sharma, Chief Engineer, and 6 divisional teams led by dynamic, enthusiastic, and spirited divisional railway managers, participants, and all. Sports and games are very important to us. They keep us healthy and fit. They offer us a change from the monotony of daily life. The sports event speaks for the commitment that all of us have taken part in it. I do hope that the sports event will give us an opportunity to come close to each other. Winning is not everything, but participation and will to win is everything. Sports teach us how to work in harmony with other people. Our main aim in conducting this event is to bring out the latent talents in the officers and families in all possible forms, whether sports, music or dance, and ever remain as good memories throughout our life. The participation team events bring out the self-esteem. In order to showcase these talents, various competitions are being conducted during these days. We, the officers and their families, get a chance to present their talents and skills. Certainly, I do hope that each of you will exhibit your skills and talents in all the events in which you all take part. We encourage you all to make the most of this wonderful opportunity to exhibit your athletic talents and hidden skills of cultural activities. Now it is the time for a floral welcome of our dignitaries onto the dais. I request Shri Sunil K. Agarwal, President SCROA, to present a bouquet to our Chief Guest of today's function, Shri K.L. Pandey, AGM SCR. Thank you, sir. Now I request Shri A.K. Singh, Secretary PG, to present a bouquet to COM Sunil K. Agarwal, President SCR SOA. I request Balasubramaniam, Deputy CEO of Finance, to present a bouquet to Chief Mechanical Engineer P.C. Gajbhai, sir. Now I request our President SCROA, Sunil K. Agarwal, to deliver the welcome address.
Mr. K.L. Pandey, Mr. Gajbhai, all our DRMs, SDGM, and all my colleague officers who are present here. Let me welcome you for this 9th Officers Sports and Cultural Meet. For many of you who have come to this railway newly, this will be, I assure you, this will be a great event, extremely enjoyable, and one which you will remember for long. South Central Railway have been organizing this cultural and sports fest regularly, and I can tell you that a lot of efforts go from a large group of officers of headquarters in making all sorts of arrangements of stay, venue, catering, transport, etc., etc. You must always keep in mind that this is our tournament, this is our officers' tournament. This is all done for our own self, and there will be, and if at all, while all attempt, we make all efforts to see that you are extremely comfortable and everything goes on in an extremely congenial environment. If there are slippages here and there, please don't mind. If you have very constructive suggestions, please give it to our secretary or to me. We will certainly try to do better. This should always be also keep in mind that this whole fest is organized with very limited resources. So we try to see that we use our resources to the maximum. We get support. We do get support from the GM, we get support from the CEO, we get support from the club, and so which helps to conduct this in as shall I say glamorous a way as we can. Let me thank our AGM, Mr. Pandey, who is a great enthusiast of culture, and he's been told that we have told him that the cultural event here takes place with a cutthroat type of competition spirit, and so he is on way to Railway Board very shortly, but we have made him stay back for a few days to see this grand extravaganza. So I hope he's extremely keen. He's extremely keen. He's more than keen to watch all of you. So we are very hopeful that he will be pleased and rather enthralled by the talent and the preparedness of all of you. So some divisions who have completed their GM's inspection schedule will be little more relaxed, and some of them remaining ones who have yet to go can forget about it for 2-3 days. So do enjoy, and wish you all the best, and welcome once again, welcome all of you. Thank you.
Now I request Chief Guest of today's function, Shri K. Pandey, to address the August gathering and declare the meet open.
Good morning to all of you. Mr. Agrawal, Mr. Gadgiye, all the DRMs present over here, along with their teams and headquarter officers, SDGM and his team and the other team. It's really so good for me at least to watch such events with my personal interests. And I did attend one such event in Western Railway when I was DRM at Baroda. But the way you people are lined up and the enthusiasm which is there, I think that was missing there. So it is so good to see you people in this form. And it is going to be a 3-day event, and I would ensure that maximum events I should watch, again because of my personal interests. The great involvement, the enthusiasm shown by the officers and their families, it is worth encouraging. And this should continue. Just forget about the inspections and all that for these days, and just enjoy your stay over here and enjoy all the events. So I'm really thankful to the team over here, the organizers who have invited me for this. And I'm so happy that I could make it before going to Delhi. So that's so nice. All the very best to you with a very good sportsman spirit. The whole event should be organized. Little competition is already always there, and that is healthy and that is required also. So that keeps you in the fighting spirit. So with that, I declare open 9th annual sports meet of South Central Railway officers.
We swear that we will take part in the 9th South Central Railway Officers Sports and Cultural Meet in the true spirit of sportsmanship, governing the rules and regulations for the honor of our fraternity and the glory of sports. Thank you.
Thank you all the captains of the headquarter 1 and 2. Sri Sunil K. Agrawal, President SCR, to present a memento to our chief guest of the function, Sri K. Pandey. I thank all the captains of the teams for participating and motivating their officers. We tried our level best in making arrangements to make this event memorable. We have set up help desk for seeking any guidance during these 3 days. I thank all the service departments, engineering, S&T, security, medical and railway officers club staff for their excellent support. I thank all the logistics and infrastructure companies for their relentless support, without which this would not be possible. And our special thanks to Sri A.K. Singh, Secretary PG and Sports Coordinator and his team for excellent arrangements for sports. I thank our Secretary to GM Srikanth, who is the backbone for the entire event. I request all the participants to cooperate with the organizers and judges. And another important and earnest request is the officers' dinners coupons should be invariably used by officers and their families only. Now let us move on to the next inaugural function of cultural meet taking place at the auditorium. Thank you. One and all.
No
Keeping up to our tradition, now I request Srimati Sunil Kumari Srivastava, Sri K.S. Pandey, AGM, Sri P. Ganesh Rao, CCMDS, to the country lighting the lab. I would like to thank Srimati Sunil Kumari Srivastava, Sri K. Pandey, AGM, Sri Sunil K. Agarwal, COM, President SCR, and Sri Ganesh Rao, CCMDS, to present our inaugural ceremony of cultural meeting. Now, I request Sri K. Pandey, AGM, South Central Railway, President Madam Sunil Kumari Srivastava. I thank Sri Sunil K. Agarwal, President SCR, who is the main source of inspiration. I thank Sri P. Ganesh Rao, CCMDS, along with his team for making arrangements for conducting cultural competitions. I thank all the team leaders, participants, officers, and families who have with great enthusiasm to perform. Our special thanks to DRM Hyderabad, DRM Secunderabad for making elaborate arrangements without which it is seemingly not possible for the event to be conducted. And our special thanks to President ROC and Secretary ROC who have helped us for arranging this event at this venue. I thank CRT Hyderabad, CRT Hyderabad, CRTSP Secunderabad for making this stage and live arrangements. I thank all the participants and the request to cooperate with the officers and judges during the 9th Sports and Cultural Meeting. During the performance of cultural and sports events, only officers and families and wards will be presented at the venue. It is also requested that economy should be maintained during the cultural events and kindly cooperate with the organizers and volunteers. Now I request Ganesh Rao, CCMDS, President Andhra Pradesh Kandaswati, to take over and conduct the cultural competitions. Thank you, Madam. Good evening to all of you. Respected Sri P.K. Srivastava, General Manager, South Central Railway, Sri Sunil K. Agarwal, COM and President SCROA, Sri P.C. Gajbiye, CME and President SCRSA, S.K. Sharma, CEO Construction, Sri Hari PCE, Sri G. Malya, SDGM, DRMs, President SCRPOA, senior officers, colleagues, participants, invitees, ladies and gentlemen, I am particularly pleased to have this opportunity to be associated with the 9th Officers Sports and Cultural Meet. It is my honor rather than pleasure to welcome you all to this closing ceremony of this event. Now I welcome our beloved General Manager and Chief Guest of this occasion, Sri Srivastava sir, to come on to the dais. I request Saxena, Deputy CE, to present a bouquet to TC CMD. I request Sanjeev Rao, Senior DE ELS, to present a bouquet to PCE. I request Srinivas, Deputy CA, to present bouquet to CA of Construction. The participants were there at their best, exhibiting the spirit of competition and enthusiasm. We are all really thankful to you for providing us some very exciting moments. I congratulate the winners and the participants both for making this event a grand success. A winner exists because someone dared to stand up and lose. For a height there has to be depth. I think the thrill of life is in holding up both. I want to thank specially the participants who have shown their cultural extravaganza presented in these 3 days. We have witnessed best super achievers in singing, dancing, group dancing and other events. Especially our children's role in the cultural events was highly appreciable and awesome. Big applause to children. Certainly, parents, friends, well-wishers have guided them and encouraged them to take participation in these events. My thanks to them also. Blend of culture and sports. How good! This is really the excitement what we had seen all these 3 days. My deep gratitude and cooperation received from all the corners. Our President SCR Officers Association, Sri Sunil K. Agarwal's encouragement and guidance has helped us in making this event go smoothly. We are very much thankful to you, sir. The notable improvements this time we have brought to this event are, as dance competition standards are gone so high and qualitative due to large crowd gathering, and conducting in closed auditorium is meaningless as audience cannot have proper view and stuffy inside. So we have planned to have it in the open auditorium, and the result of it you have witnessed it. For this, timely Synedian Hyderabad Vishnath Virya Krishna Reddy Secretary ROC have raised the floor height of the open auditorium to have a better view out to the audience. Various refreshments, food stalls are placed at the venue to spend the leisure time not only for children and to elders also during these breaks. On the first day, Children Park has been inaugurated by Srimati Surya Kumari Srivastava. Small children really enjoyed using these facilities at this venue. At the entrance to the left side in lawns, inflated air pillow jumping platform is provided by club officials, and children thoroughly enjoyed too. Several places water dispensers are provided for all time availability of potable water. The club ambience has been improved by many fold, and one such improvement is expanding space along the pool side. We could able to have exclusive dining arrangements for ladies and children at this place to decongest such large gathering. This is also important. Full-fledged food arrangement has been made all these 3 days, both lunch and dinner for volunteers, assisting staff and drivers and Bangla peons. We could able to satisfy people from all these sections. Time to time, cleanliness at a venue also ensured. Then let me introduce our team office team of officers to this August gathering who made this meet a grand success. First and foremost, Srikanth Reddy, Secretary to GM, without whom this meet should not happen. P. Ganesh Rao, CCMPS and Vice President of SCROA and his team have conducted successfully cultural events. So as Sri A.K. Singh, Secretary PG and his team have smoothly conducted sports competition without any criticism from even single body. Our other team members are Srimati Padmaja, Deputy COM coaching. She has taken a lot of initiative for providing all these stalls, food arrangements, etc. And A.K. Singh, Secretary PG, Vishwanath, Deputy CM Electrical, Krishna Reddy, Secretary ROC, Samserao, CPRO, Sandeep Jain, Deputy CA Stores, Vishnukant, Deputy CA, Vishwanath Virya, Senior and Coordination, O.B. Suresh Kumar, Deputy CO SNT, Anand Chekila, Senior DA Hyderabad, Uma Shankar, Senior DST Coordination Secunderabad, Dr. N. Ramesh, CDMS Hyderabad, and Sudhakar, Senior DC Hyderabad. These are all the officers who have worked committedly during the last 7 days to make this event memorable and a grand success. Now I call upon Sri Sunil K. Agrawal, COM and President SCROA to give his address to the gathering. Thank you.
Mr. P.K. Srivastava, our respected General Manager, Sri K.R. Pandey, our AGM, Mr. Gajbihar, Mr. Sri Hari and Mr. Sharma, DRMs, distinguished ladies, and other participants from the division. Today we come to the end of the 9th edition of this sports and cultural meet. The response has been extremely enthusiastic, like all the years. The standard of the games and all the cultural programs are going up by leaps and bounds. It's really a really good feeling, and I hope all of you who have come from the divisions enjoyed the meet. So. Although we planned all these events to not only promote sports and cultural activities, in railways we feel that such a meet helps to foster camaraderie amongst officers, which is so much necessary in successful discharge of one's duties. So we expect all of you must have made more friends, must have developed a lot of new relations which will help you in discharging your work and in solving your problems. At the cost of repetition, I will like to thank my team members, my committee for doing an excellent job in conducting this big event. It will be difficult for me to name each one of them, but at the foremost I will certainly like to mention Mr. Ganeshwar Rao, who has done a great job in doing the cultural event. In fact, he didn't go for the marriage of his own relative for his own consent. Let's give him a big clap. It's really big thing. Mr. Vijay Kumar, Ms. Padmaja, and many others. I think he has given a long list. All of them have worked continuously to see that the event is very successfully conducted. It would be out of place not to mention the fantastic support we get from the GM, his great encouragement, and the secretaries, his G branch, the secretary cell consisting of the secretary and the secretary PG, who always keep on telling me, sir, don't worry, everything will be fine. So it really, every year it is the same thing and it works out very well. So a big hand to Srikanth Reddy and his team. Our AGM, Mr. P.L. Pandey, as you have now discovered, is a huge cultural aficionado, and he keeps on pushing us for greater and greater performance. So he is now leaving us today evening, but he will be remembered for giving a big boost to the cultural events in this great day. So at the end, I also thank all the DRMs for bringing a large contingent and making this event really so enthusiastic and participative. And last, I will thank all the winners, all the participants and the winners for winning in this championship. Thank you very much.
Now we are moving forward for the eagerly waited prize distribution. I request our beloved General Manager, Sri P.K. Srivastava, to give away the prizes to the winners. I call upon Sri P. Ganeshwar Rao, CCMPS and Vice President of the CROA to announce the winners of cultural events.
Respected General Manager Sri P.K. Srivastava, respected Additional General Manager Sri K.L. Pandey, COM Sri Sunil Kumar Agarwal, PCE Sri V. Srihari, CME Sri Gajlaye, COC Sri S.K. Sharma ji, team captains of Headquarters 1, our SDGM Sri Gajanan Malia ji, Headquarters 2, co-CEO Saab, and he nominated Mr. Sharma, is Construction Chief Engineer. Then DRM Secunderabad Sri Shashank, DRM Hyderabad Sri Rakesh Aran, DRM Vijayawada Sri Pradeep Kumar, DRM Guntagal Sri Manoj Joshi, DRM Nanded Sri P.C. Sharma, DRM Guntur is not here, he has gone to Baroda. Yes, ADRM is here, Sri Chandrasekhar Rao. Members of SCRWWO, officers, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. This was, as our Secretary Mr. Vijay has told, not only fun-filled, it was really enthralling and enchanting and very fierce competition for 3 days in sports. So all that is coming to an end, but all this was possible because our General Manager Sri Srivastava ji readily agreed to adjust his annual inspections and given us these 3 days. A big hand of applause for him. Sir, we would like to express our gratitude for all this. And our AGM, Sri K.L. Pandey ji, is so actively involved with us, especially in all cultural events. All the 3 days he was here and encouraged all the participants besides witnessing the events. I think it would be appropriate to remember Sri D.N. Mathur, who was our General Manager, who came from Western Railway and brought this concept of Officer Sports and Cultural Meet. Our Secretary Vijay has told you a lot of the names from our side, but I would like to particularly mention all the volunteers and support staff who very willingly assisted in every activity to make this event such a flawless and a grand event. We appreciate their assistance and help, and I would like to thank on behalf of the organizing committee all the volunteers and supporting staff who made this possible. Thank you very much for all the assistance you have given us. Now, I would request General Manager to kindly give away the prizes. Now, cultural events. I'll read the names. Kindly come and quickly collect the prizes so that we can do it fast. Children below 15 years, solo song. Third prize, baby Anshika, daughter of Vishnukant, Hari, DSC Hyderabad. First prize, baby Prerna, daughter of Prasun Chakrabarti, Deputy CME. This is all in solo song, children below 15 years. Then solo song, children 15 years and above. Third prize, baby Lavanya, third prize. Kumari Amrutavarshini, daughter of Heman Murthy. That was solo song, children 15 years and above. Solo song, officer bar spouse. Third prize, Srimati Rashmi Gangale, And first prize, Srimati Ratnavali, that is solo song, Officer Bar Spouse. Now going to the category of duet song. Third prize and Srimati Antara Chakrabarti of Headquarters 1 of Secunderabad Division. This is third prize. First prize, Srimati Ratnavali song. Third prize, bagged by Secunderabad Division, Dr. Subbarao, Madhusudan Rao, Srimati Prasuna, Srimati Aruna. Then first prize by Headquarters 2, Srimati Neeta Sharma, Srimati Murthy, Dr. Padma, Srimati Anjani, please come.